All right. Good evening. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. Yeah. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Joelle. Uh,
Perfect.
what's your name?
I'm Christine. And where are you from, Joelle?
I'm from London, in England. Where are you from,
Lovely.
Christine?
Yeah. I'm from the United States, from Ohio.
Wow. Can you
Great.
tell us one thing about Ohio?
Yeah. Do you know LeBron James, the basketball player?
Oh, yeah.
He is from Ohio, from
Wow.
Cleveland, I think. Yeah.
Excellent.
And one thing about where you're from, Joelle? One thing about London?
London has the most international tourists in the world.
Wow. I didn't know that. That's great. Look, we've got Veronica. Hi, Veronica.
Hi.
She's in Grevenchianti. We're in Florence. Welcome.
Yeah. Oh, you're from Delhi. That sounds amazing.
Yeah, really long distance.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Well, welcome, Veronica. Welcome, everybody. Today's focus is about the weather. The weather, yeah. Joelle, you're from London.
Mhm.
I know British people talk about the weather often. Is that true?
All the time. We always talk about the weather.
Really, really.
You know why?
Why?
Because it's always terrible.
Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. That's great. That's great. Yeah. Well, the weather in Ohio, where I'm from, is always like changeable. So one day it's really, really hot. The next day it's really, really cold. It changes a lot.
Okay.
Oh,
What's
look.
the weather like in Delhi, Veronica?
Yeah. I'm curious. She says Grevin County is famous for, yeah, lovely B&Bs and also the wine. So true. County
Beautiful.
wine, yeah, is famous there. Perfect.
Also, the countryside is famous.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. Nice. All right. Well, let's get started. Joelle, can you read the slide about the weather?
Sure. Okay. Weather report. In this focus activity, weather and directions.
All
What's
right.
the weather in? It's it's not, and weather related activities.
Perfect. Perfect. Good. So it's and it's not. What verb is that we will study? What verb?
Okay. Veronica says that in Delhi it's very hot always.
Yeah.
Okay. It's
Fantastic.
it's always very hot.
Yeah,
Wow.
perfect.
Okay.
Nice,
So
Veronica.
it is. It is not. Is the verb
Yeah.
to be.
Yay. Perfect. Excellent. Okay, so talking all about the weather. In the photo, what kind of weather is this?
Hmm. It looks really, really nice. And the
Yeah.
girl is on the beach.
Mm-hmm.
She's wearing a swimsuit.
Mm-hmm.
So the
Yeah, it
weather.
looks like
Yes, Christine?
yeah. Also, she has sunglasses
Yeah.
right? For the sun. And some sunblock or sun cream, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. The weather does look nice.
Hmm.
Oh, Veronica's got her answer. She says the photo, it's sunny.
Excellent job, Veronica.
Absolutely. Yes. Wonderful. Good. So let's move along. All right. Okay. Joelle, can you read on the left all the weather adjectives?
Okay. Right. Sunny, foggy, rainy, snowy, cloudy,
Hmm.
windy.
Excellent. Great. Yeah. And what's the question to ask about the weather? What's the weather question in English?
Okay.
Hmm.
We use the verb to be
Mm-hmm.
to ask about the weather. So the
Yeah.
weather is, what's the weather like?
Nice. Really nice. Yeah. In fact, I'll put that on the screen.
Yeah.
Really nice.
So whenever we hear a question with like and the verb to be,
Mm-hmm.
the question always refers to describing. So we want you to describe whatever the subject is of the question. So the subject is the weather. So what's
Okay.
the weather like? It means describe the weather.
Oh, nice. So, not I like sunny weather, not I like rainy weather.
No?
How can we describe the weather? What's the weather like?
Well, no. Okay.
Hmm. Nice, yeah.
So, Christine, um, could you tell me what the weather is like in picture A?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Okay, picture A. It's cloudy.
Right.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, it is. It's a little bit sunny, but there are lots of clouds in the sky. But it's
Mhm.
cloudy. Okay.
Great.
Let's just
Joelle, yeah, how
repeat,
about
let's just repeat
picture? Mm,
the pronunciation of cloudy so everybody understands.
definitely.
It's it's not
Yeah,
cloudy, but it's
right?
cloudy.
Good,
Okay.
good. Yeah, so the OU sound, we've got cloudy. Good,
Okay.
good.
B, Veronica, excellent.
Yeah,
The weather
definitely.
snowy. Very
Good,
good.
good. She's got it. Yeah. Picture C, we've got rainy.
Fantastic. Well done.
Nice. Ooh,
Okay.
D, picture D. Joel, how can we pronounce the weather in picture D? What's the pronunciation of that word?
Yeah, this is a tricky one. It's not
Hmm.
foggy, but the correct pronunciation is foggy.
Great. Yeah. In fact, so the double G, we just pronounce it with the same hard G sound. So foggy,
Yeah.
foggy. Great. What about picture E?
Okay.
Hmm.
Any guesses, Veronica?
Ooh, she's got it. Nice. In fact, what are those things that we see in the wind in picture E? Do you know what those are called?
Yeah.
They're blowing. So each country has one. They have many colors and patterns.
Yeah. They are called flags.
Yeah, very nice. In fact, so picture E. Oh, nice, Veronica. Perfect.
Okay, great. Yeah.
So the wind is blowing. It's windy. It's windy. The flags are blowing in the wind. And picture F. Wow. It's a sunny.
Beautiful.
Yeah, good, good. So we can use to describe the weather to respond. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Response.
It's and the weather adjective.
Perfect. Good, good. Exactly. If we make a negative response, how can we do that with the verb to be?
Hmm.
How can we do that? What's the weather like? Picture A, it's cloudy.
Yeah. So it's cloudy, but
Yeah,
it isn't snowy.
good. Yeah, exactly. So negative response, it isn't. It isn't. Or another way to form the contraction?
It's not.
Yeah, good. Exactly. Perfect. So let's repeat. And this time, positive and negative. So, what's the weather like? It is and it isn't. Okay. How about picture A, Joelle? What's the weather like?
Okay.
Good.
Cloudy. It isn't foggy.
Perfect. Yeah.
And picture C, Christine. What's
Yes.
the weather like?
Okay. Picture C. It's rainy. It isn't windy.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Picture B, Joelle.
It is snowy.
Yeah.
It isn't windy.
Okay, nice. In fact, good. All right.
And what's the weather like in picture D?
Ooh, ooh. It's in picture D, it's foggy. It isn't sunny.
Great.
Yeah.
Good job,
Okay.
Veronica. Oh, you said the same thing as Christine.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's exactly right. Nice. We have the same ideas.
So,
Good, good.
Veronica, do you know what the activity is in picture F? What what activity is
Yeah.
the lady doing in picture F? Any ideas? Christine?
Ooh, a wonderful activity for vacation, for summer vacation. um, this is sunbathing, right?
Yeah, yeah, excellent.
Nice.
One activity
Uh,
you can do when it's sunny. Mhm.
definitely, definitely. Summer.
Mm, I love it.
Yes, me too. I love summer. Oh, great. Exactly, Francesca. Definitely sunbathing. And the verb to sunbathe. Really good.
Excellent.
Good. Yeah. So we talked about summer. What are the other seasons? The
Mm.
other seasons. There
So,
are four. There's summer. What else?
what season is it now?
Yeah, good.
Is it sunny?
Hmm.
Is it snowy in this season at the moment? Is it
Hmm.
rainy?
Today it was sunny.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah, that's another season. Good.
Winter. Fantastic.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Winter. What other seasons other than winter? We have winter, summer, and then other two seasons.
Actually, Christine, in 10
Hmm.
days, we change
Yeah.
season.
Oh, yeah, that's true. You're right.
Yeah.
Um, so what season is after winter?
Mhm.
We're changing seasons.
There
It
are
will
lots of
be
flowers.
my favorite season. Yes, definitely.
Great.
Spring. Spring is great. Yeah. So winter, spring, summer, and then one more.
And this comes after summer,
Yeah,
when the trees turn orange, gold, brown,
that's true.
red.
Many colors. It's another great season. The food is great in this season.
And there are two different words depending if you're British like me or if
Yeah,
you're American like Christine.
it's true. Yes, yes.
Hey, good, Veronica. Yeah. Autumn
Yeah.
is the British word that we use.
Yes, definitely.
Who knows the American word?
USA. USA. Just joking, just joking. In fact, autumn is a season that I call a different word, and it is a shorter word. I call it fall.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because the leaves fall from the trees.
yeah,
Okay, the
yeah,
leaves fall from the trees.
definitely, definitely. Joelle, what's your favorite season?
Oh, this is an easy question. my, my favorite season has to be summer.
Really?
Yeah, I love
Hmm.
summer clothes, love summer fruit.
Mm.
I love the beach. Yeah. Okay.
Cool, yeah.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season? In America, my response is my favorite season is fall because I love the changing colors of the leaves
Beautiful.
and also the food.
Mhm.
Um, an American holiday, uh, Thanksgiving, is kind of at the end of fall. So that's a good one. But
Mhm.
I think in Italy, my favorite season is spring
Mhm.
because the weather is great. It's not too hot yet. The weather is nice. And
Everything is green.
yeah, exactly. There are flowers, and I don't like winter, so spring is a relief.
I
Yeah,
I agree.
yeah.
Okay.
Great,
Veronica's
great.
like me. Veronica's favorite is summer, and she loves the sea. Yeah,
True, true, yeah.
beach.
Well, she is from Delhi, where it is always hot, so
Yeah,
it makes sense. It's also
yeah.
hot in Italy, so she understands the weather. Perfect, perfect. Let's move along and take a look here. Okay. Joelle, can you read the red question at the top?
Sure. What's the temperature?
Hmm. Good, good, yeah. And the blue beneath that? What does
Okay.
it say?
Match the thermometer to the expressions.
Perfect, yeah. Okay, so all of these objects on the screen We see different temperatures, different degrees.
Mhm.
So when there are many degrees, what is the temperature like? It's
Okay, Christine, can you
yeah,
read can you read the adjectives?
absolutely. All right. So we have hot, cold, warm, freezing, boiling, and cool. Yeah. So cool is an adjective for the temperature and also for a person can be cool. Is that right, Joelle?
That's that's right.
Are you cool, Joelle? Perfect, perfect, good. So let's look at these adjectives for the temperatures. So on the left side, where there is all the way red, all the way to the top, what temperature is this? How can we describe it?
Veronica says that warm is the first thermometer.
Hmm,
Mm,
possibly.
it is in the right direction. Yeah.
Yeah,
Warm
yeah.
a
More,
higher temperature, but it's not
definitely.
the highest temperature. There is something that is
Hmm,
warmer than warm,
yes.
more than warm. Really, really,
Really
boil,
hot,
really hot.
hotter than hot.
Hotter than hot. Yeah, absolutely. You gotta be hotter than
Maybe,
hot.
yeah, of course, of course. Oh, did you?
Boiling. Yeah.
In fact, yeah. So boil, the verb to boil. Joelle, when do you boil something? And
Okay,
what do you
we
boil?
want to make pasta, for example.
Hmm.
I have to put the pasta in boiling water.
Hmm. So
You
when the
don't put
water,
pasta
blah,
in
blah, blah, blah,
cold
blah, blah,
water.
blah.
Yeah,
True, true, yeah. In fact, also when I make like a tisana or hot tea,
yeah,
I have to boil the water in the kettle.
yeah,
Yeah. So boiling. Whew.
yeah.
When is it boiling in Florence, Joelle?
It is boiling in Florence in July and August.
Bleh. So true. Blah. Boiling. Maybe it is
48 degrees.
yeah, exactly. 45, somewhere around there. Very, 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 very hot. It's boiling.
Yeah.
Good,
How
yeah.
would you, what would you say 48 degrees is? Because this is centigrade.
Mm.
What
Mhm.
is 48 degrees centigrade in Fahrenheit?
Oh my goodness. I will have to
What
look at Google for
are
that.
are you in the
48.
hundreds? Do you
Yes, definitely, definitely.
okay?
That would be way over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So 118 degrees Fahrenheit is 48 Celsius.
Okay. Great, Veronica. She says in Florence, you freezing in December and January. Yeah. Not you freezing, but it's freezing.
Yeah,
It's
definitely.
yeah.
Definitely.
It's
Yeah.
freezing in December and January. Absolutely. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
So, what is the next temperature? So, boiling, but a little less than boiling. It's whew, 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 take off my sweater. It's
It's, I would say it's hot.
hot, 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 right?
Feeling hot, hot, hot.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. So boiling, hot, and then Veronica,
Warm.
warm. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So in the middle, on the hot side, is warm. Yeah. So when is it warm in Florence? Yeah.
It's warm in Florence in
Hmm.
April or May.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. True. So it's warm in Florence in spring.
Yeah.
Good. That's good. That's why I like spring in Florence. I agree with Seamus. I don't like hot weather. I like warm weather. That's okay for me.
But he has a different idea on what boiling is.
Yes, true, true.
Hmm.
Good, good. So after warm, it starts to get a little bit, whew, kind of,
Hmm. So after warm,
mm,
the temperatures go down a little bit, and
mm,
boom, you start to feel ah, a little bit chilly, a little bit chilly.
yeah.
So what is another word for, what is a synonym of chilly, Christine?
Hmm. Cool.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah. So
So
when it's cool, I want a sweater. I
yeah,
want a jumper, a cardigan, a
mhm,
pullover. When
yeah,
it's warm, I don't want a sweater. I take
uh,
off my sweater.
yeah,
Yeah.
excellent.
But in my house right now, it's cool. So I have a cardigan. Yeah.
Okay.
After cool, what's the temperature? It's
Brr. Yeah, it's often
Hmm.
confused in Italy with hot because it sounds
Yeah.
the same, but it isn't. It is
Yeah,
very
false friend. Exactly. It's
right.
cold. It's
Cold.
cold.
Yeah.
So
Little,
caldo is actually hot, and
yeah.
cold in Italian, what is that, Joelle?
It's freddo.
Okay, good. Okay. So hot is the opposite of,
Cold.
yeah, perfect. Good.
So when is it cold, Christine?
Hmm. Well, it's cold in winter,
Mm-hmm.
and so it's cold in December,
Mm-hmm.
in January, and also February.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes in the spring, it's also cold
At
in the
night.
morning. Yeah,
Yeah.
and at night. Yeah, true. Good, exactly. So the last temperature after cold, it's whew, completely
Freezing.
freezing. Whew,
Yeah.
yeah.
This is when
So
you get ice on the road.
yeah, yeah. So freezing temperature. I need a hat. I need gloves. I need a scarf.
Yeah.
A winter coat.
Hmm.
Yeah, freezing
And we need a
temperature.
hot chocolate.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, definitely. Good idea. Freezing temperature, it's also maybe snowy.
Yeah.
Depends. Sometimes snowy. Yeah. So in the kitchen, I have a refrigerator and what else?
And we also have a freezer.
Oh, okay. Freezer, freezing.
Mhm.
So when you put very, very cold, icy things in your
Like ice
freezer,
cream.
it's, yeah, like gelato, like ice cream. It's freezing in the freezer. Perfect. Good. So, what's the opposite of cold?
Hot.
Good,
What's the
good.
opposite of freezing?
Mm, boiling.
Yeah.
Boiling. And the opposite of cool?
Hmm. Warm.
Yeah, good, exactly. Good, 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 good. All right, let's move along.
Oh,
So,
I'm similar to Veronica. I have to think. I also love drinking tea in winter.
yeah.
I drink tea all the time, but I'm British. So,
True,
and you're
true.
from Delhi in India, so I'm sure that in India you drink a lot of tea too, just like us.
True. Yes, yes. Nice. Very nice. Similar habits from different parts of the world. Crazy. All right. So let's look at this slide. What's the weather like? How many adjectives can you pair with each image? So tell your partner what the weather is like. For example, in this photo, in this image,
That looks like paradise.
yes, today, yes. Maybe the Maldives or I don't know, where could it be?
Indonesia?
Fiji? Yeah,
Hmm.
incredible, incredible.
The
Oh,
Caribbean.
yeah, true, true, true. Yeah, I love it. This is Seamus's nightmare, maybe. No, I don't know.
Nightmare.
Maybe he likes the beach. But it will be hot there.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what's the weather like here at the beach?
It's hot and sunny, just like it says in the example.
Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Good. And can you tell me what the weather isn't like also? So negative. It's hot and sunny, but
Okay. But
yeah.
it isn't cold and raining.
Oh, good. Whew. Raining at the beach. Bad.
Hmm.
Perfect. Okay. Let's read the adjectives
Yeah,
about the
good.
weather. Yeah. Can you read the ones on the left? And I will read the ones on the right.
Okay. Sunny, foggy, rainy, snowy, cloudy, and windy.
Perfect. Good pronunciation, Joelle. Okay. Stormy, raining, hot, cold, and snowing. So what's the difference between rainy and raining, Joelle?
Hmm, that is a very good question.
Hmm.
So, rainy with a Y is the adjective.
Okay.
Yeah. So we say it is rainy when we are
Hmm.
explaining, describing the weather with an adjective.
Okay,
It's
good.
the general weather. Instead, raining is what is
Hmm.
happening in this moment, right now. So if I look outside the window,
Oh,
I say, "Ooh, it is raining
oh,
now."
good. Yeah,
So it's the verb
yeah.
to rain, to rain. And in this moment, it is
Okay.
raining.
Good. So if it is raining, I definitely need an umbrella.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, good. Thank you, Joelle. So that's the same for snowy and snowing also?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, perfect. Good. So if it's snowing now in this moment.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
If it's snowy in general.
Okay, Okay, good, yeah. All right, so, oops, I put it. So, it is snowy in general. That is the weather where I am from in the winter.
Oh,
In
in Ohio.
Ohio, yes, it's very snowy in the winter for January, February, March. It's
Mm.
always a snowy. All right, let's look at another photo and I'll ask you, what's the weather like? So, Joelle, what's the weather like in this photo?
Mm. I can see people skiing, and I can
True.
see mountains, and there is a lot of white snow. So
Hmm.
it's, I imagine, it's freezing and
Hmm.
snowy.
Good, good. Definitely. Nice weather adjective and nice temperature adjective also.
Thank
And
you.
what's the weather not like in this photo, Joelle? Negative.
Oh, mm, it's also cloudy in the distance.
Hmm.
So
True, true.
it's not sunny
Mm-hmm.
and mm, it's not hot.
Okay, perfect. Good. All right, let's look at another photo. And Joelle, you can ask me, what's the weather like?
Perfect. So,
Okay.
Christine, what's the
Yeah.
weather like in this photo?
Hmm. In the photo, it's cloudy,
Mhm.
definitely cloudy,
Absolutely.
and maybe,
What do you
I
think
don't
the
know,
is?
humid? Maybe it
Maybe,
looks a little humid to me.
yeah, yeah. Maybe it's summer with a summer storm,
Yeah, true. So maybe
and
it's a little
maybe
stormy.
maybe it's warm or hot and humid. But
Oh, yeah.
yeah,
Good. And what the weather isn't like,
yeah.
so in this
What
photo,
isn't the weather like?
yeah, exactly. Well, it isn't windy
Mm-hmm.
and it isn't sunny.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, I think. All
Okay. Good.
right. All right, good. Let's look at another one. Okay, Joelle. What's the weather like here? Hmm.
Ooh, I don't like this weather.
Me neither.
It's foggy.
Oh, yeah.
Mm. And it looks
Definitely foggy.
damp.
Oh, yeah, like that wet feeling.
Yeah, it looks damp. And
Yeah.
damp is humid.
True, true.
It's but usually we use humid in hot weather when it's wet, and we use damp in cold weather when
Mm,
your clothes always feel a little bit wet and cold.
yeah. Ugh, icky. I also say muggy when it's really hot and humid.
Muggy. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
fine.
kind of like a swamp,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
right? In Florida, in the Everglades, it's very muggy all
yeah,
year.
yeah.
Yeah,
Also in Louisiana in the swamps.
true, true. I have family from Mississippi, and it's always humid and muggy there. All right, so let's look at another picture.
Okay, Christine,
Yeah.
what's the weather like in this photo?
Ooh, it looks like a tennis match, maybe a professional tennis match. I see umbrellas.
Mhm.
So it's raining right now.
Yeah, right. Excellent. That's
Yeah.
perfect. Mhm.
And
I
it
see people
isn't.
with coats
Mm,
and scarves on.
yes, me too. Maybe it's also cool
Yeah,
or
or
maybe
cold.
even cold. I
Yeah,
don't know.
I
I think
agree.
cool. Mm. All right, great. Yeah. It isn't it isn't sunny, I don't think.
No, it isn't.
Mm. Yeah. Veronica's asked us a question. She asked the difference between the word damp and dump.
Okay, a big difference.
Yeah.
Total. Okay, so we said that damp is when it's cool or cold, but humid, like the weather, it's wet. The air is
Mm.
wet. Okay,
Okay.
like
Okay.
like when it's foggy. Okay, so the floor, the ground, the trees are a little bit
Mm.
wet. Okay, that's damp.
Yeah.
But dump
Mm.
is either a verb or a noun. A dump is a place where we put our rubbish. Okay, so where
Mm.
all the rubbish or the garbage from a city is put. So
Okay. So like a trash mountain.
yeah, we call it a rubbish dump.
Okay. All
It's also
right.
not a nice place when we
Yeah.
say, "Oh, this place is a dump."
It's
It
true.
just means this is not a nice place.
Yeah, definitely. All right. Let's look at another photo. Ooh, what's the weather like here?
Okay, it is windy
Yeah,
because the flag. I don't know if it's a flag. It's not a flag. It's a
I think it's
wind,
a windsock. Yeah.
something like that. Yeah, a wind
Okay.
sock maybe is blowing in the wind. So it's windy and sunny, very sunny,
Yeah,
blue
definitely.
sky.
No clouds, so it's not cloudy, right?
It's not cloudy and it's not
Yeah.
raining.
Perfect. Perfect. Good. Joelle, can we say it's winding right now?
No,
No.
no. Wind is not a verb, so we cannot say to wind.
Oh, okay. Okay. So just it's windy. Is that
Yeah, it can
correct?
be an adjective or it can be a noun. The wind.
Okay. All right. Nice. Perfect. All right. Let's look at this object. What is this called, Joelle? What is this object called?
This is called a compass.
Nice. Okay. So the four directions on a compass
Mhm.
have different names. What is in direction letter A? What is this direction called?
Okay, it is north.
Okay, good.
What
So
is
it's
direction?
similar to the direction in Italian, right? North.
Yeah, it's very similar. They
Mm,
say north in Italian.
yeah, perfect. Yeah.
What about direction B, Christine?
Okay. That is the direction pronounced east, right? East.
Yeah, exactly.
Good.
Which it isn't pronounced the same way in Italian.
Right. Yeah. Good.
In Italian, they
East.
pronounce it, do you know?
Yeah, est, right?
Est,
Yeah.
exactly.
So it's a little different. The EA sound is east. So my face smiles and I say east.
Nice, Veronica.
Good.
When you're lost in the woods, you need a
Yes.
compass. Fantastic.
So true. Yes. Good. So north, east. What's the opposite of north?
It's south.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a little difficult to pronounce because we have the TH at the end.
Yeah. True,
You
true,
know,
true.
your tongue between your teeth.
south.
Yeah.
Good. And the opposite of east,
Is Christine?
west, right?
Excellent.
Like Kanye, right? Kanye West.
Kanye West.
Nice. Okay. So let's move along and use our weather adjectives with the directions. So this is a map of Canada, which is north of my country. Um, and there are many territories in Canada, many provinces. Let's look and see. So number one, in the north, let's say in the Northwest Territories,
Mhm.
what is the weather like, Joelle?
In the northwest, the weather is snowy
Mm,
right in the top northwest and changeable just underneath it.
mm-hmm.
There's rain and also the sun.
True, yeah.
Yeah, and then also sunny.
Yeah.
Right?
That's a big mix of weather.
Yeah.
What about in the east, in eastern Canada? What's the weather like?
Okay. In eastern Canada, we have Quebec and Newfoundland, and northeast we have rainy weather, so it's raining at the
True,
moment.
yeah.
And southeast, it's sunny.
Yeah, great. In fact.
Okay.
All right.
And Christine, what is the weather like in the south of Canada?
Oh, okay. So the south of Canada is very wide, just like the United States. So maybe in Ontario, in the south, it's stormy,
Mm-hmm.
and in the south, in Saskatchewan, pronunciation, no idea. Sorry, Canada. It's sunny for sure.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the weather like in the far, far north?
Oh
In
my goodness.
Foot.
It's it's snowy and snowing probably.
Excellent.
Yeah. Good. All
Great.
right. We've
Yeah.
just got a couple minutes. So
Mhm.
let's review what we talked about today. Um, what's the weather like in picture A?
Okay. In picture A, it is cloudy.
Good, good. In picture B,
It's snowy.
good. In picture C,
It's raining.
all right. Ask
What's the
me the
weather
next
like
one.
in picture D, Christine?
It's foggy.
Hmm. And in picture E?
It's windy.
Mm-hmm. And in picture F?
Ooh, it's sunny.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. And let's review temperatures. So when it's super, 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 super hot in August in Florence, it's
It's boiling. Boiling
yeah. I don't like boiling weather. And after boiling, it's really whew,
hot. Very
good.
hot.
True. Yeah. And in the middle, but comfortable, it's
Warm.
good. Yeah. Yeah. And then,
After when the temperature drops a bit and you need
mm,
like a cardigan or something.
yeah. Ooh, like today,
Yeah.
it's cool. Yeah. Like me. Good, good. And then after it's cool, it gets a little bit
Whoa, it's cold and you need like
good.
sweater or a
Yeah,
jumper.
definitely. Good, good. And then finally, the worst weather, it's
It's freezing.
definitely great, great. Okay, good. So The difference between rainy and raining, if we talk about right now, what is happening, it's
It's raining right now.
good, perfect,
And
yeah.
if we want to talk about the weather in general,
It's rainy or it's snowy, right?
excellent. So we use the
Good.
adjective.
All right, good, good. Okay, so the directions on the compass, we've
We
got,
have north,
yeah,
okay,
east,
then we have
south,
south.
and west.
Excellent.
Perfect, good. Well, that's everything for today. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate it.
And we will see you next time in our next
Yeah,
webinar.
perfect, you guys. Have a great day. Have a great evening. Bye.
Bye.